Hey guys, today we are going to change the rear shocks on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. This will be the same as the Dodge Grand Caravan. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm. First thing we're going to do is crack our lug nuts loose, jack up our vehicle, and take the wheel off. Alright, so the first bolt we're going to take out is this one right here. You might need a wrench to hold on to that nut. To break that loose. If you need a little more leverage to break these nuts loose on these bolts, this is what I did. Put an 18mm wrench or a ratchet or whatever you can get on here on this bolt. Put another ratchet or whatever on this side to keep it from turning, and then just put your jack under there and jack it right up, and it'll turn that nut right loose. Alright, we've got that bolt out down there. So now we're going to take out this bolt right here. So this bolt will probably start spinning the nut back there, but you can stick an 18mm wrench on the back side of that nut and keep it from turning. Alright, so I broke the top bolt here. This is going to happen to somebody else. So what you're going to have to do if you break that bolt and it breaks on this side so you can't punch it out is take out this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and this bolt right here, and drop your shock mount, and then you can take that bolt the rest of the way out. Alright, I'm going to have links in the description below where you can get a new shock on Amazon. At this point, you just put it back together the way you took it apart. I put that top one in there first, and then you can push this up a little bit and stick the bolt through when you get that lined up to the bottom bracket. But that's all there is to it. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.